Hey guys, it's your girl Sasay and welcome back to my channel. And so for today's video nga guys, i-share ko sa inyo itong favorite mask ko as of the moment. So this is from Project Beauty by Kai, and I'm not doing this video just because this product is sponsored, no, kasi gusto kong i-share sa inyo yung thoughts ko kung paano nga pa naging effective to sa akin, ano yung properties na mayroon dito na nakakapag-help para mag-heal and magkaroon ng changes yung ating skin. So if you're interested to know kung ano yung product na to, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so alamin naman muna natin kung ano yung pinagkaiba ng dalawang mask na to, kasi magkaiba sila. Snail White Bleaching Cream and then this Bentonite Clay Mask. This is a local product and alam niyo yun, kahit na local product sila, sobrang ganda nung effect niya sa ating skin. Okay guys, so first one is this Bentonite Clay Mask. This is suitable for oily and acne-prone skin, lalong-lalo na sa mga maraming pores dyan, or mga open yung pores, kasi it helps to tighten the pores. And yung cooling effect niya kasi guys, nakaka-relax siya ng skin and also ng mind, kasi as in, parang spa yung amoy niya. So if you open this, so ganito yung consistency ng product. It's very liquidy, ayan. And when you smell it, sobrang bango, promise. Para talaga siyang para ka talagang nasa spa. And then when you feel this, kapag nalagay mo sa skin mo or sa face mo, ay merong lamig kang mararamdaman. So, di ba, yun yung maganda kasi may cooling effect siya. So, ito rin guys, this is a deep cleansing mask. So, inaalis niya yung oil or yung shine sa ating face, especially sa mga oily skin katulad ko, pareho tayo. So, you really need this. Kalahati ko na siya, malapit ko na siyang maubos kasi I really love this product. Hahalin tulad ko siya guys dito sa Innisfree Volcanic na pore clay mask. But merong pagkakaiba. This is very affordable. Habang ito naman, this is very pricey. Nasa 600 or 700 pesos siya. While this is nasa 180 pesos lamang siya. So, ito guys, effective din siya and then effective din to. So, parang para sa akin, I'm gonna use this kasi ito yung pinakamura and then effective din. Kasi ito guys, mayroon din siyang cooling effect and nakaka-tighten siya ng pores, which is nandito sa characteristics ng product na to. So, yeah. So, ito na yung naging focus ko na gamitin sa aking face. Every twice a week ko siyang ginagamit. So, alam niyo naman guys, Bentonite Clay is very effective and essential to our skin kahit na ilang taon ka man. So, it helps to reduce yung appearance ng mga pores and also, it shrinks it. Talagang makikita mo, manonotice mo siya every time na ginagamit mo. Parang wala ka ng pores na nakikita sa yung face. And also guys, inaalis niya yung toxins na meron sa ating katawan. Okay guys, dumako naman tayo dito sa Snail White Bleaching Cream. Okay, so, this is Snail White Bleaching Cream. Ayan. Kalahati ko na siya as in kasi pinagsasalit-salit ko silang dalawa. So, as you can see guys, sabi niya dito is Snail White. So, and then bleaching. So, pag sinabing bleaching is parang papaputiin niya yung ating face. If you have a dark spots or mga pimple scars na hindi pa alis-alis sa yung face, you should try this one kasi it helps me to also to lighten a bit. Kasi hindi naman yung as in na kinabukasan wala na, diba? So, this mask, you have to use this for 2 times or 3 times a week kasi hindi pwede naman na pagsusunod-sunurin mo yung araw na gagamitin yung mask kasi mask is a exfoliator, tinatawag na exfoliator, lalo na may mga scrub siya or mga beads na ganyan. So, I'll just read this. Sabi niya, targets imperfections like pimple marks and uneven skin tone. So, sabi ko sa inyo, a kind of bleach with cooling effect that relaxes your skin and mind, indulging into a spa-like environment once applied. So, totoo yung sinabi ko rin kanina kasi pareho sila. So, papakita ko sa inyo guys yung pinagkaiba nilang dalawa. So, yung consistency nito is very runny or very watery. Habang ito naman, ayan, hindi siya babudge kahit konti, ayan. So, wala. So, these two guys retails for 180 pesos and babasahin ko lang yung ingredients ng bentonite. Calcium bentonite, activated bamboo charcoal, bamboo extract, seaweed extract, glutathione, goat's milk, apricot meads, apple cider, and vitamin E. And then, habang ito namang Snail White Bleaching Cream ay hydrogenated coconut oil, snail extract, bleach, vitamin C, goat's milk, cucumber extract, and peptides. So, nandun yung vitamin C and goat's milk. So, nandito yung mga whitening, brightening, lightening, ganun, nandyan na lahat. I'm gonna wash my face and then I'll show to you yung condition ng face ko. And I'm going to put half-half. Parang half dito yung isa, half din dito yung isa. So, let's see the difference of these two masks. Yeah, guys, ito yung tsura ng face ko ngayon. So, as you can see, meron akong mga dark spots dyan. Ayan. So, yan yung tsura. Ngayon naman, gagamitin ko tong snail white dito sa... Saan ba banda? Dito na lang, para makita agad yung lightening. Kasi diba ito ay sa bleaching cream. So, spread lang natin. Sobrang bango niya. Sa kabilang side is itong bentonite clay. And so, ito medyo mas madali siyang ma-spread kasi watery siya. And then, we're going to stay this on our face for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay guys, so ayan tuyo na. So as you can see, dito sa bandang to, makikita nyo may pagbabago talaga. Like, tuyo na siya, ayan. Then dito naman, tuyo na din siya, pero hindi pa masyado. Maghihilamos lang ako, then I'll be back. Okay guys, so here's my face after washing it. Ayan, so makikita nyo, super glowy and super plump ng face ko. Ayan, so lalapit ko siya. So, yan yung tsura ng face ko. And, sorry, na-smudge na yung aking mascara. So, as you can see, meron pa rin naman. But then, smooth na siya. And hindi na siya dry tignan. Also here. Pero yan yung naitudulot ng mask na to. And alam nyo ba guys, habang hinihilams ko siya, ramdam ko pa rin yung cooling effect niya. As in, meron siyang cooling effect. Yung parang bang... diba, ang pores kasi natin, nagko-close siya if may cold water or parang bang nag-open siya kapag warm. But if laging malamig or hindi naman yung as in nag-yellow or diba sabi nila myth is you can use iced or cold water in your face to close your pores. And I think that's true. Kasi alam niyo yun, by using these products, napapansin ko yun sa face ko na hindi na ganun ka-oily, hindi na ganun kalalaki yung mga pores sa face ko. So yeah, I really love this product. And ito din guys, sasabihin ko pala, itong Glass Skin project nila, I really love this product. Kasi sobrang, ano niya, sobrang ganda niya. And mayroon talaga siyang effect sa face. Like, look at that. Yan, may nananourish niya or parang namomoisture niya agad yung face mo. So, that's it guys for my video. I just shared to you my favorite mask and I hope you could try this. And please don't forget to follow Project Beauty on Facebook and Instagram. I will link their shop below sa my description box. You should check them guys. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll always be notified on all my upcoming videos. And see you guys on my next video. Bye!